Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how LangChain agent works. So this is going to be a complete guide. Now basically a LangChain model is based on different type of AI algorithms that work together. So let's just say if we are processing multiple type of large language models and we need to process them or process different kind of data, it is going to be using different type of models that are based on different algorithms, coding algorithms, and combining them together as called agents. And those agents are going to be helping us to running on large language models and different type of other models as well. So basically, if we can see in this documentation that I was going through, and I just gathered this information, and you can see we have all this information here as well. So if I talk about LLM providers, you can see we have different features and different data sources that help to basically perform the actual data. We have cloud platforms, and then we have vector databases. So all of these also combine up and source together in order to provide the best and required data. So other than that, if you are creating prompts in LangChain, prompt serves as backbone of interactions between users and LangChain models, crafting effective communication. So if you simply enter a prompt like summarizing an article, stuff like that, it is going to be ensuring that applications deliver the accurate results. So you can see over here we got LangChain model. If you want to learn more about it, you can let us know in the comments below. And yeah, that was it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share with your friends. See you guys around in the next one.